Now let's talk about Veeam Cyber Secure. Veeam Cyber Secure is an unparalleled elite-level service for Veeam customers. It covers organizations before, during, and after a cyber incident, specifically ransomware attacks. Let me tell you about Veeam Cyber Secure services before an incident. It includes expert architectural design, technical support, and implementation services to make sure customers are up and running with all the recommended best practices for cyber resilience. As part of Veeam Cyber Secure, Veeam experts offer quarterly security assessments. These assessments include a comprehensive security checklist for protecting your data environments, with recommendations covering everything from securing access to hardening repositories, as well as all the necessary data protections within your Veeam environments. Then, as part of Veeam Cyber Secure, we're including world-class incident response retainer from Software by Veeam. When it happens, in the critical moments of a ransomware attack, you need the best in the industry by your side. With 24/7 coverage and 15-minute response SLAs, our experts who handle cyber extortion daily are equipped with the expertise, experience, and innovative patent-pending tools to guide you through the challenging time and get your operation back on track swiftly. The first step involves assessing the situation to understand the impact, identify the ransomware strain, type of encryption, and even the threat actor group. After that, we facilitate secure communication with the threat actors on your behalf and work closely with you to determine the best recovery path. Software by Veeam leverages an extensive database of documented cases to prepare negotiations and forecast outcomes. This approach has saved customers millions of dollars worldwide through a combination of effective negotiation, expertise, and advanced technology. Finally, Veeam Cyber Secure includes full documentation for cyber insurance and ransomware recovery warranty to cover for expenses for up to $5 million.